David back from Canadian Money Masters. Welcome back, everybody. I'd like to talk about a company in the Canadian market that I believe has some great growth potential for the near future. As always, this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes, and this is only kind of my opinion about the company and what I'm doing. The company is called Allied Gold, and they are a Canadian-based company that actually has mining operations in Africa. And what they do is they purchase existing mines and they help them to develop further and add to their operations so that they're more efficient and expanded, so that they can increase their revenue and their gold production. So this coming earnings that they have is on August 8th, and we are going to find out what their revenue has been for the second quarter of 2024, and it's estimated to be close to $200 million, which is much past what they have seen in the past couple of quarters. And so this company actually has some pretty big investors, including Blackrock, which owns over 6.5% of the company, and some other big investors that have recently added to their stake position. BlackRock added almost 500,000 shares, which can be seen on the Moomoo app, and global investment company out of Boston, added almost 3 million shares at the end of June. And on a technical level, if you look at the charts, on the weekly chart and the daily chart, the indicators show that there could be a potential bounce off of the 50-day moving average on the weekly chart, and on the daily chart you're looking at a bounce off of the 13. So both of these lines have been crossed on both of the charts, and they're coming back. They've come back to retest, I believe, right before the earnings is released. So there could be quite a big opportunity here. I do hold some shares in Allied Gold. The ticker symbol is AAUC, and I believe there could be a great opportunity for some research and possibly some investment if you want to look into the company. I really like the Moomoo app for Canadian investors because it really, the ease of use and their layout and just all of the free indicators that they have that you can use and put on the charts, all the drawing tools that you can incorporate, they really help to facilitate quick decisions and really thorough research too. They have all the information on the investors that are holding the company and what the profile is of the company, who's involved in the structure, in the leadership. So this is something I'm going to be doing more often on this channel, is bringing up some investment opportunities that we could look at through the Moomoo app and through any other platform that you are familiar with. There's actually some screener tools on there as well, which helped me locate this company to begin with. You can really set the parameters for any stock or company on a technical level that is heading towards a golden cross, or where the moving averages are starting to cross each other to the upside or to the downside. And I can get into some of those details in a future video, but those are really helpful tools to be able to see on a technical level where a company is headed potentially. And I've found through studying these in the last 6 to 8 months that they actually really do make a difference. If you can study and learn technical indicators and understand the psychological levels of where people buy in and sell and where prices may bounce or fall, it's a really good tool to have as an investor to know when to possibly take a position and scale in a position. And if you combine that with when earnings are coming out for a particular company and any potential news catalysts that are coming, it can really supersize your investments, because there's a lot of volatility in, especially in the top stocks, the Magnificent Seven, and a lot of these stocks that are very dependent on news and things that their CEOs say and do online. So anyways, check out Allied Gold, AAUC. It may be in for a bounce after August 8th and the earnings are released. If they have a bump up in their earnings, their valuation, estimated valuation through some analysts have called for a possibly like a $9 to $10 price in the next year, and the stock is currently sitting at just over $3. So it could be a significant bounce for the stock in the next couple months, and so I think it's worth looking into, and hopefully I can come back with another video showing some more potential companies in Canada and in the US that you can perhaps take a look at and do some research for yourself. And I look forward to talking more about these indicators and how they can help in your journey of investing and growing your wealth. Happy to give this information and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.